What's my Rosie doing today? You gonna show off? Is Rosie gonna show off? Hmm? What's Rosie doing? What's Rosie doing? Hmm? Can we show everybody your little feet? Hmm? Poor Rosie. When she was born or hatched, one of her parents bit off her talons and ripped them out, so she only has her back ones, if you look here. So that's why we don't take her out too often, because she has a really hard time with her balance. Right. But say, I'm a happy girl. Yeah, say, I'm a happy girl. Right? Oh, is that your hug? Sometimes she gives me hugs. She turns the back of her head to the back of my head. We just kind of hug through the cage, because nobody's ever really been able to handle her too much. She hasn't ever bit at me, though. What are you doing? Yeah? Are we happy, girl? Are you my happy girl? Yeah? Probably want a snack, right? Yeah? You want a snack? Rosie loves snacks. Yeah. She likes to dance, too. You not gonna talk? You'll talk as soon as I walk out. Sometimes it's like having somebody else in here. You can hear a whole conversation. Sometimes I hear my own voice. Sometimes I hear, yeah, because she's cool. You're such a stinker. You're such a stinker. But we love you. I love you. She says I love you. She says probably between 40 and 50 words and phrases. Yeah, but at her own will, her own demand, right? She's about 10 years old. Yeah. She's a good girl. She is a good girl. Thank you. You gonna give me a little snippet there? Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Nope. Yeah, she's cool. Are you being a cool bird today? Yeah. Oh, yeah, she's a cool bird today. So see you later. See you later, alligator. Bye.